So using the tandem adapter, because that's actually got on-off switch for the power supply. So literally I've hooked up the hard drive, standard Molex connector. All I need to do is flick this switch to the on position and we'll see what the hard drive does. It's spinning. We've got some head activity. It would actually help if I plugged the power into the motherboard, wouldn't it? Change this to a momentary switch. So it works absolutely fine without the MFM controller card plugged in. We get so yeah, we've definitely got a short on the MFM controller that is tripping our power supply out. So we've got the MFM controller on the desk, we've got multimeter, continuity. This board we know is shorting. What it looks like is that we've got a short between, so this is nicely labelled. We actually get B, A, B, and numbered. So B1, first pin, which is on the other side, is ground, and B 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is minus 12 volts, and that should not be a short. So we've got a short on the minus 12 volts. So looking at the capacitors on here, those are fine. This one is a short, but one up here, that's also showing a short. Could well be on the same minus 12 volt line. That one's fine, that one is fine, that one is fine. Have we got any more? Got a little one there, it's also fine. Small one here, it's also fine. So it's either this one, or both. So what we'll need to do is take those off, or snip them. In fact, I can snip the pin on one and then see if we've still got a short. Can always solder it back later or replace it anyway. So if I just pinch that leg, that's what I suspect is a short. That capacitor's not shorted. That suggests actually that one's a problem. No, we pulled it a short, even though those two are lifted. Right, found it. One of these two. So I took some pictures so I could see what they were, and these are 22 microfarads at 15 volts. Hopefully I'll have something I can replace those with. These are not electrolytics, and it looks like both of them have failed. Oh, I don't have any ceramics of that value, but I do have a couple of electrolytics. Now, given that we've got, the only reason I would think that you'd put electrolytics down here, or wouldn't put electrolytics down here, is the risk of them leaking, but we've already got an electrolytic here. So I don't really get why these are such a high value ceramic. Normally they're, you know, nano picofarads, not micro. So I think we're going to be fine with electrolytics in this place. It's going to look a bit weird because they're these tiny little things here, modern electrolytics. 22 microfarads. That's my multimeter beeping to let me know that I've left it on. So I'm going to try desoldering these two and see how we go. All done out, new ones ready to be soldered in. Let's just put a little flux on these. Obviously capacitors, make sure you get them in the right way around. These were clearly marked on the board, so that was nice and easy. Now see, I've got two electrolytics in the place of those two ceramics. Just to check, see these no longer shorted, we shouldn't have. So B1, third ground, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 12, no longer short. So, hopefully, that has brought that card back to life. Right, not an ideal setup, still a bit of a mess on the desk here. Got the MFM card in, VGA monitor, we're going for contact. So it hasn't shut the power supply down, so we've solved the short. We're getting close. It doesn't look pretty, but it's all connected, I think. So we should have everything on the desk ready to go. So we've got the MFM hard drive connected to its original controller from the IBM. Flip drive, again, connected to controller, both plugged to power. VGA, little post, that'll be it's sitting on the system disk. It is with a heavy heart that I have to inform you that this MFM hard drive, since managing to get it to boot to MS-DOS, has now died. It now sits as a tribute to the 5170 on display under my on-air sign. But we are going to continue the journey and restore the 5170 as best we can, but it's going to be minus an original hard drive.